It's fun to take turns. I can't wait to time. I just look at this one.
Great job, you guys.
Thank you so much.
Fufa.
Can I have a turn? Thank you so much. Those things too. Let's put a timer on.
Okay. Solomon, how many minutes do you think we should put on the timer? 1?
I think we should put 3 on.
Oh, she thinks we should put 3. And you think we should put 1. What do you think we should do?
No, 3. Okay, 2.
Set the timer.
Me.
You want to set it? 1, 2.
Let's take turns, Solomon. Can I go first?
Should we set the timer? 1, 2.
There's the timer. And we're done. Solomon, it's your turn. I'll play a different music. If you can do the piano, I can do this. I'll play this instead. Let's set the timer.
1, 2.
It's fun to take turns.
Oh no, it's not working? Oh, Solomon fixed it.
That's for the timer. My turn again.
1, 2.
It's fun to take turns.